Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tanya and I'm an independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay Cosmetics. So guys, I want to come and talk to you about Mary Kay's best eye creams or eye treatments. Mary Kay has some of the best eye treatments and eye creams that I have tried. So I'm going to talk to you about my favorites. I'm going to talk about the ones that I use. I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of the eye creams. And I'm also going to talk about some of the benefits of using an eye cream. So let me just say, I didn't start off using an under eye cream or treatment for my eyes. I am a lover of skincare. I am a lover of beauty products. So as I began to start using skincare, using beauty products, I really started learning the benefits of an eye cream. So one of my problems that I have right now is that I struggle with fine lines and dark circles. So as I started to research and read about some of the things that happen as we begin to age to our eyes, I discovered I needed an eye cream. So when I got into Mary Kay and started as a consultant, I knew what I needed. So the one eye cream that I started using first was the TimeWise 3D Eye Cream. And this is the TimeWise 3D Eye Cream. I really love this eye cream. This eye cream is very lightweight. It's very hydrating. It targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles. It helps to brighten the skin. I saw results as soon as I started using the 3D system. So as I went along and started trying products, because one thing that I do is use the products that I sell. And so I tried the next eye cream that Mary Kay has. And the next one is the Firming Eye Cream. And this is the Firming Eye Cream. It comes with the pump. And I like the pump on this one because you're able to pump out more or less. Does not matter. It only takes a little bit because you take the eye cream and you rub it in. As you dab it under your eye, then you rub it in. And this firms, so it tightens that skin. So those lines that start to appear in your face, this is going to help to firm that skin and lift that skin so that those lines will not be so visible. So Mary Kay's TimeWise Firming Eye Cream is a great eye cream if you struggle with sagging skin. It will really help. So I changed my regimen, and when I changed my regimen to the TimeWise Repair, and that is my regimen I use in the day, and I also use that one at night. So the reason I changed to that repair set is because the TimeWise Repair set is geared toward women that are seasonal or beginning to age. And so I changed to that set and I started using the TimeWise Volume Renewing Eye Cream. Now this eye cream targets the dark circles. It also helps with the fine lines, wrinkles. It is a lifting serum. That whole line is geared to lift, repair, and restore the skin. So this is why I am a lover of this. I have been using it for some time now. I can tell that it is helping to diminish the darkness under my eyes, but I also will take the Firming Eye Cream and I will take the Renewing Eye Cream and use both. And this is how I do that. I use this in the daytime and I use this one at night. When I was using the 3D, the TimeWise set, I would use this in the day, this at night. So you can use those eye cream multiple ways. What I'll do is I will make sure that I list all of these products in my description box, and therefore you can check my website out. If you have a beauty consultant, ask her or him about the products that I'm showcasing this evening, because these are products that will help you to get rid of some of the things or improve some of the things that you're struggling with. So, one of my other favorites when we talk about eye treatment, under eye treatment, things that will help us with the under eye, is our Hydrogel eye patches. Now, I did a video showing you guys and demoing how to use the eye patches. I will list that video in the cards and down in the description so that you can look at it if you have not seen it. What I like about the Hydrogel eye patches is that the patches come in a container like this. This top goes onto your patches to keep them from drying out. So you always want to replace the top here on these to keep them from drying out. It comes with a little plastic spoon, and this spoon is to lift out your patches before you place them under your eye, because you don't want to be picking patches up and putting them under your eye, putting your hands in there. So this helps keeps it clean. So you always put it back, seal it up, and keep them sealed so they do not dry out. But these guys help with puffiness. These will help with the tired eyes. It does not help with dark circles, but it will help with the puffiness that you are experiencing as you maybe have a late night or had a long day and you're tired. The best results is placing these in the refrigerator, letting them get a little cool, and then pulling them out and placing them on your eyes. They're absolutely amazing. The other under eye treatment we have is the Indulging Soothing Eye Gel. And this is Mary Kay's eye gel. Comes in a little jar. It also is a good eye gel to place in the refrigerator to let it get cool and then place it underneath the eye. It soothes, it cools, and it depuffs. So if you struggle with puffiness or just long day, long night, and you're tired and need something to get that away, take that puffiness from underneath your eye, the Soothing Eye Gel and the Hydrogel eye patches are great. So the last product that I want to talk to you about, which is our last eye cream that they have, is for the men. Mary Kay has come out with the men's line that has several products, and one of the products is the Advanced Eye Cream for Men. Now, I haven't tried this, and the reason I haven't is because it's a man's product, but I strongly believe that this eye cream will work under your eye as well as under a man's eye. It's kind of no rules to makeup, and some skincare is no rules to at all. So what the men's, let me look and see, because I haven't used it and I don't really know, but what the eye cream does for the men is it hydrates, it helps to firm, it helps to minimize the lines and the wrinkles, it soothes, and it also brightens. So that tells me that when you have that darkness, whether it comes from hyperpigmentation, it could brighten that under eye to help you to diminish that darkness. So this is great as well for any man that struggles with a little darkness or hyperpigmentation under their eye, because the brightness will appear in under your under eye after using this consistently for some time. Well, those were the 6 Mary Kay eye creams or eye treatments that we have. So if you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned, reach out to your beauty consultant and they can help you. But if you don't have one, I'll be more than happy to assist you. And so before you leave, do me one favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also tell me in the comments below your favorite eye cream. Even if it's not Mary Kay, if it's some other brand, I would love to hear from you what you're using, because it's very, very important to use the eye cream. We lose water and hydration underneath our eye, and those creams will hydrate our eyes, awaken the eyes, and bring them back. So thanks for watching.